guys, we're out in the shop. I'm a little bit late getting started on the video, and Brad's already got some sheet metal done on this thing. He's got the sides, the back, and the top, and that little piece right there. The only thing we're missing is doors, so we're gonna have to figure out something for the doors. Otherwise, sheet metal is ready to go on her. I think they're gonna put a sheet of plywood down there, and then gotta get latches and all the good stuff on there. Chris should be here in just a little bit. They ran to town, so hopefully we'll be able to get this thing pretty much finished up tonight. I did get all of our shirts finished today, so if you guys ordered a Double D or a Bradbury Racing shirt, those shirts are ready. Everybody that needs shipped, I'll be working on those the next day or so, and then we'll get those shipped to you. I think I've pretty much already got the ones that need shipped, but there's still a couple that I've got to ship. But if you ordered and you plan to pick up at Talladega Short Track this weekend, they will be there. They'll be on vendor row. Brad's mom will be set up with all of our merch. You can go over there with her and get your merch that you ordered. I will not have any in the trailer. We've got enough going on. This weekend is going to be a crazy weekend. Quick turnarounds and everything, so I'm not going to personally be dealing with merch. That's going to be his mom. Like I said, she'll be on vendor row. So we got a lot of stuff to do. Brad has also already put the tires in the trailer. Like I said, I'm just a little bit late getting started, so he's already got the tires put in the trailer here. Let's see if it's unlocked. It may be locked. Nope, it's unlocked. Okay, so tires are in there, door shut, so it's gonna get dark. Car is pretty much ready to go. All tires are completely done. I'm gonna get in here now and clean up his helmet. Get that thing ready because it's filthy. I'll show you it before we get started. There it is. So we're gonna get this cleaned up now. We'll turn you on time lapse while I clean it. Coming along. I am freezing. Alright guys, so this is where we're at on the merch cart. The guys got the doors ready to go. Look at them. Professionals. All we like is a sheet metal on the sides and something on the bottom. And what? And painting. The main fabrication part of it is finished. But it's freaking cold out here. Let's see how cold it is. It's probably really getting cold, but I'm freezing. It's 60 degrees. I am about to freeze. But we appreciate all you guys watching. This is a short, sweet video. They've just been working on this all afternoon, been working on the doors for it. And that's pretty much all we've gotten done today. But that's a pretty big part of this weekend. Car is ready to go. Tires are in the trailer already. So we're getting closer, but still a whole lot left to do. Thanks to all of our partners: Speed Performance Parts, Barrier Apparel Co., KT Heating and Air, Allsouth Signs and Graphics by BB Designs, Fat Daddy's Crew out of Lafayette, Indiana, Hammers Grading, Gorsuch Performance, Brand Transmission, Vinson Race Engines, and Penske Shocks. Thanks to all those guys that make all this possible. We will see you guys back out here tomorrow. We'll be out here every day. These videos will probably be pretty short just because you're just getting one day. You're not getting compiled videos, so you guys can see day to day what's going on. We are a day behind, so tomorrow's video you guys will see will be the day before. So we're a day behind. But that's it. Appreciate Appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.